everyone, I have Somi's first physical release here. I'm really excited that she finally has one and I can collect photo cards. Before, she only released things digitally. Don't know why I can't say that. But I did order I ordered these pretty late in the game, actually after the song came out, because the album didn't get released till after the song, and it came out and I just like made a very quick kind of bad financial decision and decided to order her album because I knew I wanted it anyway. Decided to order from K-Town for You and get the pre-order cards. So let's just look at those real quick. So this is the first one. And the second one. I know that the albums come with a special card and then another photo card. Some of the photo cards are concept versions and I don't like those as much. If I get one I might keep it, but I'm going to try to collect her selfie cards. I haven't watched an unboxing of this. I've seen photo cards obviously, but there's two different versions. I don't remember what the versions are called, but this is the pink one. It's like a flap here. You have to try not to tear as you open it, like the Dreamcatcher albums. And I thought it was really neat that the CD comes in a case. I remember seeing that on the listing. I thought it was different. You could totally just leave the CD out and stick it somewhere. There's a sticker pack with stickers and a pin. So here's the photo card we got in this one. Honestly, it's kind of cuter, like, seeing it in person. It's got that weird, like, matte feel. I haven't really had photo cards feel like that. And then each one came with this little planner thing. There's an accordion postcard set. Some of these pictures, she kind of reminds me of Gwen Stefani with her blonde hair. This has all the lyrics on it, it looks like. We've got the photo book. I'm not going to do a super thorough look at the photo book. They're not a special card. I thought they all came with special cards. Okay, I guess the special card is only included in some albums. I thought it was in all of them, so that kind of sucks. Getting to put the CD back in. This is kind of awkward, all this stuff. This is the second version. Kind of reminds me of a cow. The CD is orange. These stickers and the pin for this one. Here's the photo card for this one. At least we've got a selfie here. And another postcard set. And a quick flip through the photo book. So that was the second version and the last unboxing. So I'm kind of disappointed I didn't realize that those cards were only in random albums. Like I said, I like the selfie cards better than the concept ones. Honestly, I think I might try to trade this one to a selfie card if anyone's interested. But I feel like a lot of people like the selfie cards better. And I'm gonna have to try to find the special card. There's one with like where she's like blood splattered, and I don't know, I really like that one. I know it's gonna be super expensive probably, but I'm gonna try to get that one. But thank you guys for opening this album with me, and I'll see you in another video sometime.